Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to embed code in a Canva website so you can easily add external content and features to your site. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your project in Canva and make sure it is a website design, because the embed feature only works when your layout is set to website format. Step 2. Go to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where all publishing and collaboration options are located. Step 3. Click on More or see All in the sharing options to expand the full list, since the embed feature is not visible in the quick menu and is placed among advanced sharing options. Step 4. Scroll down to find the embed option and click on it. This tool allows you to generate HTML code that can display your Canva website inside another site or platform. Step 5. Click Embed and then copy the HTML code or copy the Smart Embed link provided, which you can paste into your website builder or blog to display your Canva website live. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.